Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a dating site on Wix. This walkthrough is perfect if you're a beginner or even if you've built websites before but want a clear, practical way to structure a dating platform. First things first, open your browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. If you've worked with Wix before, you know that this is your main hub for all things website creation, where you control your design, pages, apps, and overall user experience. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, take a quick moment to orient yourself. This is a good time to think about your niche, your audience, and the kind of dating experience you want to offer. You'll want to customize the site to suit your vision uniquely, whether that's casual dating, serious relationships, or a specific community. Click on the site option visible on the upper menu. After you've done that, the next step is to hit Create New Site. This is where you'll start setting the groundwork for your dating site and make decisions that affect layout, structure, and scalability. Wix makes this part of the process incredibly intuitive, even if you're not a designer. You'll be guided through selecting various site templates to find something suitable for a dating platform. Now click on the dating blog. When the options appear, this template serves as an excellent starting point because it's already somewhat tailored to a relationship-focused atmosphere, with layouts that work well for profiles, images, and engagement. Click Continue to proceed further, knowing you can fully customize everything later. Here, it's essential to add a members area to your site. This is one of the most important steps for any dating platform. Wix has a built-in feature that facilitates managing user accounts and membership options, which is crucial for a dating site where users need profiles, logins, and private access. Within the setup interface, click on Search, which is typically located towards the bottom or side of the screen, depending on your layout. Type in Members Area into the search bar. Once it pops up, click on the option that lets members manage their accounts and access content securely. This will permit users to edit their profiles, check messages, and engage with other members, which is essential for a smooth and user-friendly experience. It also helps build trust, since users can control their personal information. Next, go ahead and click Add again to confirm that the members area is integrated into your site. This ensures that the functionality is seamless, allowing for the creation of a comprehensive profile section that feels polished and professional. Now, find your way over to the app market. You'll spot this option on the standard toolbar. Think of the app market as a way to extend what your site can do without custom coding. This is where you can enhance your site's capabilities with additional features. In the search bar within the app market, type in Wix Chat. Including a chat function like this is invaluable, as it facilitates direct communication between members and keeps users active on your platform. When Wix Chat appears, click on it to explore its utilities. This app supports instant messaging, enabling members to send messages directly, which is a vital feature for any dating platform. Real-time communication is often what keeps users coming back. Having a chat app integrated means users can engage in real-time conversations, which enhances interaction, builds connections faster, and improves retention on your site. And there you have it, a streamlined process to set up your own dating site on Wix, complete with essential features like user profiles and instant chat messaging. Following these steps will give you a strong foundation to begin fostering a vibrant community, allowing connections to flourish while keeping the experience simple and manageable on the back end. Enjoy customizing your dating site, experimenting with design, features, and branding to make it your own. May it bring people together from all walks of life. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in the next video.